there, my name is Musoma from dotSite. In this short video, I'm going to demonstrate the procedures for updating the school website information. Please subscribe to this channel and hit the notification bell for new updates. For any school that is listed on dotShule, it is given a free website on the dotSite platform where we promote the online visibility of all those schools on the dotShule platform, as well as the promotion of the internet working of schools. For example, if I select one of the schools, the model schools in Kampala, you're able to view the various information about the school on academics, the co-curricular, and the contacts of the school. There's also a section of the pictorials for you to know about the school's structures. To have this information updated, as a system administrator, go to Update Information, click Manage School General Information, enter your password, and OK. Under this section, click School Description. This is where you update all the information about the school, the enable center number. So in case you didn't have an enable center number, that's the area where you can update it from. You give those other details, and the way how you enter these details, some details they appear on the school documents, like for example report cards and even identity cards for all the school community members. So ensure that you enter the right information. In case your school has a website, you can just link your website by typing the address to your school website. Then you give your school motto, vision, the mission, and the school operation scope, where you tell your story. As you can see how it will appear under this home menu, the academic scope. So that's where you can give your profile of your school. You then go to the coordinates, for GPS coordinates, and then your national location. Then you just save changes. When you update that information, your school will have all those details captured on its website. To upload the website images, go to School menu, click Communication, then click the dotSite Manage School Website Images, enter your password, and click OK to continue. This is the area where you update each slide's photo. So for the first slide, you just click on Manage Slide Photo 1, and you can upload that photo. You start by talking about that photo, like if, for example, it is the main entrance, that's where you type the description of that photo, and then you select photo to upload. So this is our photo. It was already processed. It must have dimensions of 960 by 360 pixels, and the size is supposed to be less than 100 kbs. So when you get that photo, you just open. That's how it will get uploaded. And when you click on your website here, the photo will be listed among the pictorials on the website. Thank you for watching.